is exactly what I'm telling you about making wooden doors or anything wooden for your pigs. Although if you get quality one, it will stay longer, but look at the way they shattered everything. Look at the way they destroy it, and they will actually eat up everything. Can you see the doors? But the iron door, they won't be able to eat it and they won't have problem with it. So whenever time you are constructing your pig house, construct it with iron doors. Anything pillar, make it an iron one. Don't just do wooden pillars. And if you want to do it, just make sure you erect it, put it inside this thing and make it a concrete one so that they won't be able to eat it up. Look at the doors, they've already destroyed everything. Can you see? See, that is how they will be eating it until they finish it little by little. If they are still young, they won't be able to eat the wooden doors. But if they get older, like their teeth is much stronger, can you see? Can you see? So that is when they will start eating it. So anything eatable, they will start eating. So please, if you want to do your pig house, do an iron door. And also make sure that the walls of your house is plastered with cement. Make sure the cement is mixed properly. Make sure the cement is mixed properly and do the ground. Make it a quality one. Only that will help you to get a good housing for your pigs, or else they will eat both the wall and destroy the ground, even till everything, remove all the things you think you did, the ground, the floor you think you did, and destroy everything.